English grammar is the set of structural rules of the English language. It includes the structure of words, phrases, clauses, sentences, and whole texts. There are 8 word classes or parts of speech that are commonly distinguished in English: nouns, determiners, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, and conjunctions. A word is a basic element of language that carries an objective or practical meaning, can be used on its own, and is uninterruptible. Words are thought of as the smallest meaningful unit of speech that can stand by themselves. A phrase is any collection of related words that, unlike a sentence, has no combination of subject-predicate. The words in a phrase function together so that the phrase itself acts as a single part of speech. Phrases can never stand alone as sentences. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate. A predicate is a verb that describes the subject. Clauses can be either independent, also called main clauses, or dependent, also called subordinate clauses. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, while a dependent clause cannot. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. A sentence typically contains a subject, what the sentence is about, and a predicate, something about the subject. Sentences can be either simple or compound. Whole text can be any example of written or spoken language, from something as complex as a book or legal document to something as simple as the body of an email or the words on the back of a cereal box.
Thank you for watching our video. For more courses details subscribe our channel.